Hello friends, I am going to explain the for loop in Python programming language. Here I have given the syntax of for loop for iterating variable in sequence. For iterating variable, you can give any variable name to execute your for loop in sequence with intent symbol. After this intent symbol, you are going to execute a block of statements. Here the sequence, for this sequence I am giving as a range. So range is having three parameters. One is start value, other one is stop value, another one is step value. Start is nothing but you are going to give a initial value of your for loop, and stop is you are giving the ending value of your for loop. That is, you are going to, for loop is going to generate a list. In Python it is going to generate a list, not an array, up to n numbers, not the nth number. So that is very important here. And step is, it is going to increment your for loop. So if I am giving as 2 means the for loop is going to incremented by 2. Defaultly the for loop is going to incremented by 1. Now I am going to give some example in the Python software. That is, I am having the version is Python 3.6.2 shell. So I am giving some example for I in range of 5 with the intent symbol print of I. Here I is a variable to execute your for loop for more than one time, and range is a keyword. In the range keyword I have given only one parameter, so the one parameter indicates that is a stop. So that means your for loop is going to create a list up to n numbers, but I am going to stop this for loop for 5 times. So your starting value will be always starts with 0. The ending time I have given as 5. So you can expect the output as, it is going to give the output as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, not the fifth value. You can check the output here. This is output. Another example I am giving for I in range of 3, 6. The intent symbol print of I. Here I have given two parameters. One is starting value, other one is ending value. So the iteration for loop will be printed the I value from 3, 4, 5, not the nth value, that is not the sixth value. You can check the output here. Another example for I in range of 4, 10, 2. So I am giving some three parameters. One is starting value, one is ending value, other one is incrementing value. So here the for loop is going to execute for print of I. So the for loop is going to give the values, the output will be 4, 6, 8, not the 10th value. You can check the output here. Okay. Another example for I in range 0, -10, -2. So with the intent symbol print of I. So here I have passed some negative values in the range. So that means the whenever I am giving a negative value, that is your for loop is going to give the decrement iteration. So you can expect the starting value is 0. So the next iteration will be start with -2, -4, -6, -8, because I have given the decrement value is -2. So your output will be 0, -2, -4, -6, -8. So to get some clear idea about range, I am giving another example, print of list. I already told that is the in Python it is not having any array concept, only it is having a list concept. So range of 0, two parameters. Okay. Now here I am going to create a list. I am giving the range as 0, that is it is going to create a list as empty. You can check the output as the list is always, it will be mentioned by the square brackets, so it is given as empty. So one more example, print list of range of 1 comma 10. So 3 parameters I included. So we can check the output as it is going to create a list from 1 to 10. So the list will be always starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and print of list of range of 5 comma 10. One with the similar example I am giving is, so here the list is going to start with 5. List is going to start with 5. I'm not giving any increment value, so it is defaultly it will be incremented by 1. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is your output. So one more example, print of list of range 5 comma 10 comma 2, and that is the list is going to create as 5 comma 7 comma 9, 5 comma 7 comma 9. So you can check the output as not the 10th value. The 10th value is not going to be printed here. You can check the output. Now what I'm going to give is, I'm going to create a list languages equal to square bracket C, C, C++, C++, Java, Python, Perl. So the list is being created here with the square brackets. Now I'm going to access the values from the list. For X in languages, I'm going to access all the elements from the list. Print of X. So the list will be always starting with the 0. So the starting position will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally 5 elements are there. So I'm going to access all the elements from the list. So next line I'm giving it as print of X. So it is going to access all the elements from the list. C, C++, Java, Python and Perl. So this is your output of your for loop. I hope that you will get some idea about this for loop and the range keyword, how the list has been created. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.